Hello and welcome. My name is Isaac, and in this video we will recap the stock market week of May 15th to May 19th, 2023. So let's get started. So first, I would like to apologize for not posting a video last week. I was not able to upload last week because the TD Bank Stock Market Simulator website was down, so I could not get charts or stock market information. However, this week I decided to use a different company's graphs. This week I will use Yahoo Finance's graphs, so I apologize for the inconvenience from last week. So here we will start with Marriott, which is my first stock that I own, and Marriott starts the week at around $174. Here it is going to take a little mountain ride to start the week, and then from then on May 17th, which would be Wednesday, it will take a huge surge upward, and will continue that surge upward until it gets a peak of over $181 in the week, so low at around $174 and a high at around $181, and it's going to take a gradually little dip to end the week for the hotel and travel company, and it will end the week at $178.44 as stated here. So an overall profitable week for Marriott with high surges this week from May 17th through May 18th all the way to May 19th before the closing bell on Friday, May 19th. The next stock that I'm going to talk about is Disney. And Disney starts the week at, you can see it a little around $92.50-ish, if you can see it there. It is going to take a dip to start the week, and pretty bad of a dip. It will dip down to around $91, and from then it's going to take a kind of a little fluctuating prices throughout the week with some ups and downs all the way until we get to Wednesday. And from Wednesday, it is going to go up, as it did with Marriott. It's going to continue going up. On May 18th, it's going to take a larger jump, and we'll continue that uprise until we get to around May 19th, when it's going to go down to end the week at $93.27, making it a pretty steady week for Disney, a little bit of profit overall for the week, with an average stock price of $91.83 for Disney. It had a pretty good week overall for Disney. Here's the graph and chart for Microsoft, which is the first tech company that I own, and it's going to start the week at a little around $312-ish. Around here, it is going from then, and it's going to take a little fluctuating prices until we get to May 17th. It is going to take a pretty high rise profit overall. We'll go from $311 up to $318, so around a $7 rise in the 2 days from May 17th through May 18th, all the way into May 19th. So an overall profit for Microsoft will end the week at $316.94. It will have an average of $311.51, which will be around here, and you see that that's a pretty stable average. It's around where the opening bell started for the beginning of the week, and of course that huge profit to end the week on a high note at $316.94, giving it a profitable week. And here's a chart for Apple, my next tech stock that I own. And it's the second tech stock that I own. The first one that I was just talked about was Microsoft. Apple starts the week at a little more than $172. It will take an uprise, start the week, and gradually pretty steady prices until we get to May 17th. It's going to take a huge dip. Of course, we see the red going down there with really bad plummet there. And from then it is going to take a little gradual blurb of a profit going up to around $175, ending the week at $174.28, giving it a profitable week for Apple overall. We see, as we've seen with the previous stocks I just talked about, Marriott, Disney, and Microsoft, it has a huge profit to end the week, and I think that's the trend that most stocks had this week. So a really good week for Apple, really good trading week overall, with a plummet to start the week, but a huge profit to end the week, from $171-ish to $175, so a huge profit to end the week for Apple. Here's the chart for NVIDIA, and NVIDIA is the third tech stock that I own, and this is going to start the week at $290-ish, around $290. And you can see not that much trading, like not that much fluctuating prices. Off the bat, we see a profit. And on May 17th, a more bigger profit. And then on May 18th, a bigger profit. And we'll end the week at $314.61 from the beginning of the week, May 15th through May 19th. A huge profit overall for NVIDIA, starting the week at $290 and ending the week at $314.61. That's around a more or less $24 profit overall in the entire week. So a really good week for NVIDIA and the tech stocks overall. We've seen before my video, Microsoft, Apple have had really good profits overall, and now this week NVIDIA. And this might be the best week that NVIDIA has gone up since I first bought it overall. So a really good profit for NVIDIA. And the last stock that I'm going to talk about is Google, or Alphabet. And Alphabet starts the week at around $117. It is going to take a profit uprise, and then we'll continue that profit uprise as it has been with all the stocks that I own, with Marriott, Disney, Microsoft, Apple, and NVIDIA, and we'll continue that profit to end the week at $122.40. So it starts the week at $117 and ends the week at around $122, giving it a more or less $5 profit, so not that much overall. However, a big profit overall. And Google has been in the bust of artificial intelligence recently, with a lot of talk of artificial intelligence, of course, with Google Bard coming out a couple weeks ago. Alphabet, Google, it's been pretty, it has had a lot of news to do with artificial intelligence, and so I think that may have impacted the big profit overall for Alphabet. So, and we hope that it continues this surge overall as Alphabet continues to dive deeper into the makings of AI. Your story of the week is in green this week. And here is the chart for the NASDAQ Composite Index. So this is the NASDAQ, and NASDAQ is a group of the tech stocks that we own. And so I own multiple tech stocks from Microsoft, Apple, NVIDIA, and Alphabet. And I would like to talk about the NASDAQ because the NASDAQ has had an awesome profit this week. And you can see it starts the week a medium-ish fluctuating prices, and it goes up a really good profit to start the week, and we'll continue that profit to end the week at $12,658.37. However, it started the week at $12,350 around here, so we see around a $300 profit overall for the NASDAQ, which is pretty rare. And so a really good rise in the stock market for the NASDAQ Composite, and as well with the NASDAQ, we've seen really good we've seen really good profits and surges in stock prices for the S&P 500. That's also been doing pretty good recently. So overall, really good stock market week trading overall. This graph shows really good trading week for tech stocks in the NASDAQ. However, as the S&P 500 also did really good this week. So an overall really good stock market trading week overall. So props to the New York Stock Exchange, and a good trading week to stocks across the New York Stock Exchange. Now we are nearing the end of the quarterly earnings season, so we still have to be on watch out if you still own any stocks that still need to report. Major and dramatic changes could happen with quarterly earning reports, so just be careful and aware of your stock trading going forward until the end of the trading season. Thank you for watching this recap of the stock market week of May 15th through May 19th, 2023. I hope you enjoyed the recap. I still apologize for not posting a video last week. I will continue posting stock market recaps weekly. Thanks.